Yes, Rajay, now we will do chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Firstly, we have completed physical properties. Physical properties means in which we have studied about the physical appearance, that how they look, what are the properties, what we can do with them, like ductility, malleability, we can be it, convert it into any shape. That is physical appearance. Chemical properties means with which substances metals will react, then what products will be formed, that we will study in chemical properties. Means chemical reactions will be there. First of all, reaction with oxygen. Metals, generally metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. When metals will react with oxygen, then definitely metals will form metallic oxides. Oxygen, it will be oxides. Okay, these metallic oxides are basic in nature. Basic in nature means they are soapy and bitter in taste. When metals react with oxygen, then it will be basic in nature, means the taste will be soapy as well as bitter. Then they turn red litmus solution to blue. Red litmus paper is there when you will be in school, then definitely we will do activity litmus paper. It is small pages are there. Then that metal oxides are basic in nature, means that red litmus will turn into blue when we will put metallic oxide on that litmus paper. Here examples are there. When magnesium on heating, when magnesium will heat on white flame, means it will be very hot flame. Magnesium when on heating react with oxygen, then magnesium oxide will be formed. Then metals such as sodium, potassium, here magnesium is there. When sodium and potassium will react with oxygen, then sodium oxide will be formed. If magnesium react with oxygen, then magnesium oxide. When sodium react with oxygen, then sodium oxide. These are products, metallic oxides. The use of these metallic oxides is in chemistry lab, when you will be in higher classes like in +2, when you will do BSc, MSc of chemistry, then you will do the experiment in lab, in which you will be known about the chemicals in detail. Okay, then non-metals, when non-metals react with oxygen, then non-metallic oxides will be formed. Okay, it is opposite to metals. Here metal oxides are basic in nature, then non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Acidic means the taste will be sour. ठीक है. Next, carbon burns in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Okay, here carbon is there, carbon is non-metal, carbon react with the oxygen, then carbon dioxide will be formed. Okay, here CO2 when react with water, water is denoted by H2O, then carbonic acid is there. These different chemicals will be formed. The use of these chemicals in chemical library and big industries. Okay, sulfur burns in presence of oxygen, sulfur dioxide will be formed. Then sulfur dioxide react with water, then sulfurous acid will be formed. These are chemicals बच्चे. These are known to form the chemicals like creams, cosmetic products are there. These are formed by chemical reactions, these chemicals. Okay.